Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. Thank you for support. Like, share, subscriptions, donations, and everything is appreciated. Okay, so let's start. Though this is timelines. Okay, timeless readings. Okay, sorry. Though this is timeless reading, okay, but you may take it as like now is the date and then follow up. Okay, so beyond, sometimes I say, sometimes I don't, it doesn't matter. It matters. Sometimes I give it exact time frames and all that stuff. It just pertains, otherwise just let it pass. Okay. Message is, I heard like reach, REACH, reach. Something is going to be reaching to you, or you are about to reach to someone. Now this may be someone or some specific goal. This may be something that you have already decided that I have to reach to this point. There is some kind of completion. It's like connected with round figure, okay? Like something that is not less than, like, what to say? It's like, suppose it is 10, so it's not going to be 9, it is going to be 10. Or something that is supposed to be like 10,000 and 800, 10,990, but it is not, what I said, 10,000, yes, 10,900 and so, but it is not 11 till date. Now it's going to be 11, okay? So 11,000, that kind of energy. I apologize if I'm making you confused. I am sorry, but that's how I am. That's how I read, okay? But thanks for all the love and, yeah. Thanks for bearing me. Alright, so let's start again. So there's going to be reach, completion of something, like you are just crossing and you won. Hey, la la la, cheer, okay? Cheers for you. I heard there's going to be cheers for you. Ta-da! Now, I'm also hearing as if like there's one person I can see from the clouds, okay? Like it's like, actually I can, please ignore the sounds, there's some work going on. There is someone, the person is here and the person is having mustache, okay? Mustache is very prominent and the person is coming out from the clouds, kind of like, so they were showing me their face and I can exactly just say that they have mustache. So this is of course a male figure here, and I don't know with whom it will pertain, but then again it is not specified that it is only for male wives and all that, this can go vice versa as per your thing, but this is specific, yes, of course. Alright, so who are you? Who are you? Tell me, who are you? So maybe this person is about to reach you. Look at 8 of Wands energy in this deck. Look at it. Like it's, yeah, this is Wolf, right? Wolf is just figuring out whether to allow, or Wolf is saying that, come land here, I want to talk to you. Hello. Hello. So this is something coming from above, like kind of energy that they will be entering in your life. Well, you know exactly who this person is. Some of you know it. And maybe some of you will just say, I don't know who will, yes, he does have that, yeah, mustache. Okay, that kind of energy is coming. Anyways, this may be the Hermit vibe, Virgo vibe, possible for some cases you might be dealing. And look at this person, he's having mustache and also beard, but they are very, very, very strong. And the build-up is strong. Maybe that's what they're trying to say, like, if it is like physical appearance is considered, we are considering, okay? But whatever it is, it's the mustaches for sure, okay? Let's see. 4 of Wands, oh my god, someone is going to reach your home, or they're going to dial your number, or whatever it is, but basically they want to meet you, okay? I'm just figuring this out with this 4 of Wands vibe. I feel like they're trying to reach you, they're going to, in this time frame, whatever this time frame is, or it is pertaining with you anyhow, but with the 4 of Wands energy, I feel like they are just projecting, how they're projecting their own life, or they're projecting themselves, and they're going to project themselves in your life somehow to get approval of something. I feel like like projection is, what is projection? It is like not exactly in real sense, but someone is giving you that their presence, okay, or showing you something which is not exactly there, but the projection is there because something is real somewhere, okay. Makes sense? So there's a projection of something in your life that's going to be about I want to reach you, or I want to talk about, like I want to talk, I want to reach, I want to talk to you about something, especially connected with the 4 of Wands energy, which in other cards it's like 11 kind of wands are there. It is something connected with a high frequency unions or reunions. In that case, for some cases, it is about already relationships going on, or taking some pauses in the mid for whatever reason you have reason, because I'm not going to tell you, oh my god, that is not the reason. That might be the reason for you to take the pause or just take a break and talk, you know, I'll call you back, right, kind of energy. For some cases it is concern that I see in this card. I don't know for what, but there's also the weight, okay. So this is all about projection, this is all about knowing, this is all about talking things out, and this is about I'm coming, kind of, or I'm waiting here, okay. Someone over here may say that I'm going to wait you, when are you coming back, okay. This may not necessarily be home, this may be some place, a common place, or you people are deciding on meeting there, possible restaurant, okay, or some place, whatever your place is. Yeah, I feel like something is approaching you, reaches here, and with the 8 of Wands energy, definitely there is someone who's going to try to talk. I don't know whether this is you or the person. I am leaving this platter that and I'm going. Bye. Oh my god. I feel like someone is so tired of waiting here. They actually don't want to drag some discussion, drag some their feelings. They want to talk. I'm telling you that. Now, this may be from your side, okay? Now the Lovers, there may be a Gemini, but with the Lovers, it's a very high vibration union or reunion. It is also decision, okay? It is also something that someone is, I'm hearing the word frown, I don't know why, who is doing that, but for whatever reason, if this is the person who is having mustache, they're doing it, or you are, I don't know, but exactly if this person is doing it, they're not actually happy, okay? For whatever reason, maybe you're deciding on something, or maybe you are proceeding with dating someone, or maybe, you know, I feel that it's their feelings. Like what happened is a different thing, what they did is a different thing, what you did is a different thing, and then here what I desire, listen to me kind of energy. It's like 4 sections here, and I don't know what you are going to do about it, but with the Lovers, the reach is definitely for sure, and both of you are actually no longer quarreling. I mean, even if you did, you're no hot tempered, you know, it's not that, but something is different. Yeah, connected with the frown. I don't know for what reason it is coming, but they're not happy. And look at this deck card. I don't know how it is coming, but this is very weird, and this man is having mustache only. Just look at it, and I was not even aware that it's going to come. Can you see it so clear? Man is having mustache here, and I feel that energy. To be honest, there are so many people who they don't keep mustache. That's okay. Okay, it's not necessary that this should apply like this to this situation. This should not bother anyone, okay? But this is specified to some of you. I heard like someone is talking to you about the ring and the commitment and the reach, and or maybe they're saying that I'm reaching, I want to talk because of this ring, because of this commitment, because of the feelings I have for you. Let's talk. And what exactly, I feel like the female vibe is telling that what exactly you want to talk, what exactly you have in your mind, tell me, because I'm tired of holding in feelings, or I'm tired of letting things go, because I'm trying, because I want to heal and I've done it, but then what is exactly that you want with this reach word? And then out from the fog, or someone who is getting their mind clear, they are coming and they're saying that look, I want to, you know, I want to talk to you. It's also the energy of like, okay, say, what is that you want to talk? Let's see. This is decision. This is, maybe you are dealing with someone who is possible married, possible not married, possible just in a relationship, possible just engaged, decision is en route, like, or something is on hold as well. To be honest, do not get involved with a married man or woman, okay? Like knowingly, of course, sometimes we are unaware. Don't do it because they are already messed up. You may, it depends, because if you are in love, it depends if you take the time to decide, then heal from that, and then you are separate, and then you are heading towards taking your time and then moving in next relationship. And same goes for that, especially married is, yes, of course it is quoted, but because they have already running issues, you know that. But you don't listen, okay? Anyways, and apart from that, people who are free and healed, and also people who are just coming out of breakups and they're telling you about that look, I had a breakup like a week ago or a day ago, and you are just entering into that emotional realm. How can they love you suddenly? Like, they're not even out of that. You might be feeling that because you are having that connection. You feel that love because you are not coming out of breakup. You are going to be the support system of the person, and they're going to use it. Come on, I'm telling you that. Okay, clicks. Something will click. Okay, love is going to be on a different level, and you're going to know about it. This lovers is also about lovers. People who are already in love, people who are already in marriages, people who are already having the quarrels, they are trying to fit in, adjust, moving out, okay, moving in, or deciding on something. Let them decide. I feel if it is even your decision, decide, okay? First decide and then move. I don't know, some of you may go against my, like, possible, I don't know. People take things too hard suddenly because, okay, they may say, look, I'm married, so what? But I love someone. Yes, you can love, but then you know there's going to be mess, okay? If it's okay for you, your life, your karma. Knowingly you should not, because you know where it's going to be heading. There is going to be reach, 9 of Cups energy. Now, for many of you, this energy might be of the commitment coming in union, okay? It has nothing to do with the marriage or lovers or fiance or engaged or breakup or recent. It's fresh, okay? Reach, 9 of Cups energy. Desire coming true. Someone does want to talk to you, play the music for you. And this is about they're going to reach to your heart, reach to your contact, reach to your home, possible. And this person is coming around the clock. They are telling you that they're going to be even early than they said or told you. Knight of Cups energy. This is possible a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. This person is coming with an apology, and in the eyes they know that they've waited for a long time to be part of your life or to connect with you. There's an apology coming. For some. Now, for some, this is going to be beginning of something beautiful. Like there's something in this person's eyes, like kind of like, I waited for so long. It's kind of like a sigh, like when they look at you after so long, and they're going to be, oh my God, I'm so happy looking at you. It's like finally. I'm also seeing like it's going to be one of the physical appearances, okay? It's going to be about the mustache, I said, and the palms. Okay, they're going to be really tapering. Like maybe they're artist. No, artist can be anyone. Then again, don't start discussion here, okay? But to be on a very positive note, their hands, their fingers and everything, they're going to be really tapering, you know, long and slender, and one of the features I can say. So their profession might be of something, sculpture, music, writing, something like that, okay? is someone who's calling you from the other side. Now the other side is definitely in this realm, but possible there's distance. They may call you at work while you're working, and there's going to be unexpected call. Maybe the work is possibly you're doing from home, but you're busy and your phone is ringing, and you're going to just check back after like 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to see, oh my god, I was busy in work. What the call is, or from where? There's going to be some mysterious call, I feel like, and possible it's from a new number. Whoa. Eight of coins, eight of pentacles energy. I'm hearing don't freak out, okay? Don't freak out. You have the bottom energy as the moon. There's a Piscean, and someone who is remembering you, and that's why reach is here, and it's going to be like illusion will be breaking. Emotional conversation may be coming from the person. It's also something that they don't like the same place, same area, same food kind of, and they've been struggling with something, okay? I'm going to use other deck. Aquarius. I also want to mention, please don't take everything to heart, please, okay? This is for like entertainment purposes. Of course, the category is that people and blogs or entertainment, but that doesn't mean that everything that I say, I may not be the tarot reader for you, right? But if I am, just take the good, okay? Take the good, something. Don't bother yourself for no reason. Just relax. Did I talk about the sigh? Yeah, the sighs, but I'm not laughing on sigh, of course. But you need sigh to breathe proper. Listen, you know, sometimes I'm just full of like that, and I am going to be and then I feel good. That's like breathe in, breathe out kind of energy, one of the activities. Oh my God. Just tell me, what do you want? Waiting. Someone is waiting here. Let's see this card. Why is a widower? Mia. There's also name written. Ala Mia Cara. I heard like something that someone lost someone exactly like this, and now something is coming in the picture, and someone's long gone desire is coming true. Okay. Let me ask why it's widower here. Possible this is about finally healing. Now, if you look close to this person, don't just go on the word, okay? Don't just go on the word, okay? If you look at the man, this man is having mustache only. You see it? Now listen, one thing is for sure, that there is someone who is coming out of clouds, and the reach is possible, that now is the time for both of you to reach. Maybe this was the phase in their life, or phase in someone's life who is listening to me and is pertaining with this situation. Okay? Maybe this is about the union of souls in this time frame, and someone lost someone here. Now the one who is standing is the support of someone. I mentioned that if something was very tragic, if something was very bad that happened and does need healing, and the person was married, but is coming out of something. Okay, in this time frame they need affection, they need care, they need love. Okay, and then a follow-up does happen if this is supposed to be and is destined, because I feel this reach is about the love that was gone then, like it was back then and it could never happen because something happened in their life or your life, and now something is coming true. Let's see from this deck. Switch this bit over. I feel someone is in love with them, I'm telling you. Okay, Page of Cups. Like this is I don't know, you know, if we fix ourselves with the age groups and all that stuff, then maybe this is love from college time or school time, like high school lovers or college lovers. Sometimes I'm unable to figure out the words because I don't know what people will think. Yes, it does happen. If I say something and they're going to be, oh my god, now you want to say like this, age is this, or you know, no. I just want to say that it is what it is. Some things are like this. Time is moving, yes, of course. Age is just a number, yes, of course. But then again, the time that was in the past, and maybe this is connected with high school lovers or, you know, even childhood buddies, and then turned into lovers, friends, and then school, college. I feel like this reach is all about that, the love or the rainbow that you are going to be for someone or someone is going to be for you. Now, don't take exactly this as a widower, the widower. Maybe for some cases, maybe it's been long now and they are healed and now it's something is coming in the picture. Then it's okay. I said that the things that happen quick, don't go for that, okay? Don't get involved. Of course, I'm going to say that. Page of Cups is going to be startup of something. I feel like they're going to feel good if you talk to them, or they're going to feel good if they talk to you. Someone over here is entering in someone's life as a music. It's about the startup. So possible this is about what I said, like it's a call, you missed the call, or it's a message and you're going to check and it's going to be unexpected. It's about the one you love or the one who loves you. Two of Cups energy. The one you love, the one who loves you is going to reunite with you or want this reunion. Projection is going to happen. Someone is, I also feel like the projection is about the happiness or the rainbow they want to show you or to be with you kind of energy. Someone who was in love with you or is still in love with you. With the Page of Pentacles energy, it is something that's going to start again fresh. After the pause, after the break, after something, after going in different directions. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn might be, but not necessarily. With the Page of Pentacles, whatever was at a stop or halt, it's going to be starting with sincerity here. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.